Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. And I'm sorry, I am late tonight. It is 18:48. I went to Montreal today and back, so this is why I am a little bit late. So Palantir closed at 20.75, up 14 cents, up 0.68%. Post-market 20.62, down 13 cents. It's not too bad. So what does the chart look like? Okay, so we have a very small red candle. So we seem to have a hard time crossing $21. We have a hard time crossing it. So this is a resistance that the stock is really taking into account. So 21 is really an important point. What I like is that the low of every single day has been higher. So we see here the low on May 19th was, how come I don't see it? Okay. The low was 1994. Yesterday, the low was 2028. And today, the low is 2047. So the low is going higher. And I would even almost say that the highs are getting higher too. So I like to see this. So what is happening right now is that the stock is like a spring. It is being compressed right now. It's being compressed by the resistance at 21. And it's being compressed by the support here, the green line support. So the two trend lines are squeezing the stock. Squeezing. And what tends to happen is that once the stock has been squeezed, then it just goes ballistic. I'm not saying it's going to go to $50. I'm saying it could just shoot up to the next resistance at 22.80 or something like that. So I like what I'm seeing right now. So Palantir is maintaining its uptrend. So we are respecting the support that we have here. So we almost touched 2028. So we are respecting this and getting capped by the resistance, and there's some tension. There is a tension happening here, and boop, I think it's gonna pop. I think it's gonna pop. Let's look at the hour chart, hourly chart. What are we going to see? Oh, wow. So big move at 9:30 today. So we opened here at the bottom of the rectangle, then went down at some point and went up at some point, but we went down to look at this 20.48, and we have had this support in the past. See, we had it here, it touched here. So this is interesting to see that the stock went down and then back up and then maintained itself quite good. I'm less happy to see this though. I'm less happy to see that we just we tried to maintain 20.75 during the day, but we could not. We touched it with the rectangle. So I would have wished to see the stock just remain sideways a little bit more, even in the last hour, than seeing this little drop in the last hour. So I don't like this. Yeah, this is a negative point. Stochastic is showing, though, is showing a nice increase. So this is consoling me a little bit. I don't know if it's an English word. MACD crossed negative a little bit. DMI still negative. Let's go back to the daily chart. Daily chart, we are back above 50. So that's a green thumbs up. We are back above 50. So it's nice. We have a green thumb here. Then MACD has still crossed over, and the DMI is still quite far away. So as I mentioned also in the Tesla video, I see something similar here. So basically, the next step for Palantir after it breaks 21 is to challenge this resistance that we have around 22.74. It's a diagonal resistance, so the price changes every single day, but it should be at around 22.74. So I think we might go up to there, but I don't think it's gonna fly off the shelf yet, because the DMI is still very negative. So I think there is going to be a pullback at some point, a retest of some support, and if the retest of the support succeeds, then at the next wave up, at the next bullish wave, then the probability of the stock really going further and crossing the resistance is higher. So this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm telling you what I see right now. Tell me if you like when I do these projections, what's most probable, what's least probable. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I can at least tell you what's probable and what's less probable. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe. I publish a video every single day, so if you subscribe, you are going to see the video in your feed. We have a Patreon server, a Patreon account, a Discord server. I read all of your comments. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.